Hi friends. Welcome to our channel. Today in this video we will see low pass filter. This low pass filter based on quad IC. This is power supply, 12 volt, plus minus and ground. Here is audio inputs, left, right and ground. And this is output. Connect output to amplifier. Rotate this preset to adjust gain. This is regulated power supply with Zener. This is bottom side of PCB. This is how it's look when completed.